Alright guys, continue the previous lab. We create an index with what it does support for queries that match across multiple fields in query indexing combinations of fields in a collection. By the way, let's go back here to our studio. That's where we have, for example, that's our document ID, our chunking and our embedding is vector 68. And here, there we go, what we did. Firestore indexes create, database New York HIPAA collection, food safety chunks, query scope collection, field config field path equals embedding and vector config dimension 768 flat, and this is an empty object. All right, that's exactly what we have here. By the way, now we are gonna execute this. We create this function query to Firestore. What it does, okay, we have the query, all right, and the KS5. Our embedding module is gonna embed the query to our parameter embedded. So now our collection is gonna find the nearest field, vector field embedding, query vector the embedding, basically the model. This is the instance magic calls in limit 5, and I'm gonna get it. Then this is gonna get these results. Okay, cool. Neighbors in neighbor is gonna, okay, that's our function. Now we're gonna query what should I do if the food is left out overnight. It's gonna print it. That's what we did here. So we gave it as 5. You see, just 5. Cool. All right. Food, it's 107 degrees Fahrenheit leftovers, scroll from microorganisms within 2 hours. All right, whatever it is, it's getting from our beddings. After we can try to find these guys here. Actually, it doesn't show. There you go. For example, after we try something, it's basically here. Run combination, etc. Now we're gonna ask using the chat modules in Gemini Flash, okay, 2.5. Other side, we're gonna send a message. Use the following. We're gonna send a relevant test, okay, which is basically the answer here, the query into the context. So it's just joining all the answers. And you're going to use the chat and get a response. Okay. Let's put it like here. Let's read what we have. Based on the provided test, if food's left overnight. So what's the query, the question? He really put it based on the provided test, okay? Food that hasn't been allowed to cool over and extend. Look here. And use this guy here. Here. Test also states never cool foods down by simply leaving it out at room temperature. And for questions 5 in the quick review, it implies that leaving frozen foods out at the kitchen counter overnight is not a good practice. Likely false. That's it. We use the embeddings. Okay, we search for the embeddings, and after use the chat model. Thanks for watching. See you next video.